Hey, how's it going? Chuck here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be doing some Wing Chun training. If you're not familiar with Wing Chun or you've never done it before, I do have a series of videos that I will link to in the description below. And that way you can go check those out. And if you want to try to follow along with these drills, you can do that. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to get notified of future videos as they come out. And if you're already subscribed, thank you very much. So without any more talking, let's go get into the drills. Okay, so this first drill is going to be a closing step and punch. Go ahead and set up in your kim-yee-ma and guard. Tan-sau on the front, fook-sau on the rear. Starting on the right hand side, I'm going to do a closing step and punch, punching off the rear hand. In this case, I started on the right side, so I am punching with my right hand. And then stepping back to reset. After you closing step and punch, you step back with your front foot, step back with your rear foot, back to your kim-yee-ma and your guard. Okay, do 10 on the right side and then switch your guard. So now your rear hand is going to be your opposite. In my case, it's punching with my left hand. Closing step and punch. Next drill is going to be closing step and punch with a kick. Again, I reset, stepping back with the front foot, then stepping back with the rear, and resetting tan-sau, fook-sau. Just as before, closing step and punch, this time adding a kick, and a little punch at the end if you want to. Reset, closing step, punch with a kick, punch, reset. Do 10 on your right side, or whichever side you started on, and then switch your guard. Do 10 on the other side. That's closing step and punch with a kick. Next is going to be a turning drill. Up top it does tan-sau, tan-sau, fook-sau, fook-sau, pak-sau, pak-sau, gan-sau, gan-sau. Another drill you can practice is the famous chain punch. This is always a good one. And then practicing turning again with your chain punch. Turning to the right, back to the left, turn 3 chain punches, turn 3 chain punches. If you want to take it up another notch, you can work on transitioning. This is transitioning from Wing Chun to Muay Thai. So here, if you want to practice this, it's closing step with 3 punches, stepping out, jab, cross. Or a jab, jab, cross, hook, whichever you prefer. That's if you want to try taking it up next level. Alright, those are some basic Wing Chun drills that you can do to practice your Wing Chun training at home. Let me know if you like the video. Give me a thumbs up if you do. Go ahead and share it out. Hit that subscribe button once again. Thank you for watching. Take care and see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.